Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. I hope you are good. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. You know what? We are just going to do a quick analysis. Why? Because later on we are just going to go on our live session, right? So we don't really have to go through everything. And by the way, guys, we are still on this 8K appreciation. We just reached 8K subscription, which it's actually good for whoever who actually subscribed. Thank you very much. And you know what? Yesterday I said the special ended and stuff like that. But you know what? Once I'm alone and sitting back there, I start to realize that, you know what, 8K is not really a smaller number, and people just went out there just to support my channel. So I have to also make sure that I meet them halfway. And for those who wants to be part of the team, I did cut those prices until further notice. I'm promising that I'm going to keep that more than a month or two. But if maybe you were out there and trying to actually to join our team, you can actually join our team. For those who wants the system, it is still $60. It is still $60. But I think whoever who's gonna join from now on, they're also going to get that system. If you are joining our team, you are going to get the system for free. You can see that. But for whoever who's gonna join from $60, sorry, from 12 months or lifetime, you can see there on the screen, then it's gonna be actually a free. You're gonna get a free system which costs actually $60. So what's really happening? As I said, we're not gonna take much time here, as we are going to have a live session. So now when we check here, we have actually one of the important economic news, which is actually interest rate from Britain around 1 p.m. Do you see that? So that is going to be interesting because it seems like they're not going to cut the rates, and that will make British pound to be quite stronger. I saw it was trying to go even lower. But what's really happening on Friday, which is tomorrow, it's PMI's day. So yeah, we will see what will happen. I see that we also have a jobless claim, as we're gonna talk about it. So don't worry, we are going to cover that on our live session. So on my DXY, on the analysis here on DXY, we can easily see that yes, it is still actually on a very nice uptrend structure. So it shows us that it's actually continuing to go higher, and this make the dollar to be quite stronger against other pairs, and that is not really a good thing. So I thought maybe the market was trying to break out of this area, and it seems like the market is reversing. We see the market is reversing. So around this area also, do you see that it's actually a resistant area? We can consider that a resistant area. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. So once we see this push here, it shows us that other pairs will be struggling. Other pairs, obviously, they will be struggling. Also, let me just go straight to that. So when we check USD, AUD USD, shows us that it's a little bit strong. I don't really see much of a reversal here, but on this one, it was obvious for us. We already had a nice buy. So on my side, this is quite obvious. The market is just ranging. You can see the market is just ranging. So we expect the same thing to happen. Do you see that? So I'm expecting that type of a move to continue moving like that. So on the other one, like USD JPY, it shows us that yes, the market is still on that uptrend, but it seems like we're gonna have this breakout. So let me just place this a notification here, because it seems like the market is getting out of that resistant area, and if that gets out, obviously we will see the market continuing to go up, as we are already on that nice uptrend. So for this week, guys, we did not really have enough trades. The market is just playing games with us. So we don't really need to play that. We don't really need to play a game where the market is just consolidating. So sometimes we just need to stay out of the market. So on GBP USD, we saw that the market was coming from this nice downtrend structure, but at the moment the market showed us that it can break out. So we are expecting a continuation of that bullish move, and I think that might still happen. We can see that, yeah, I was expecting to see the market continuing to go higher. but we saw that the dollar is gaining some momentum on a dollar index, so that's why we see a reversal. But we have a nice support there. Maybe the market will touch this and go higher. Remember, we have interest rates from GBP, and if they don't cut the rates, we will expect to see a reversal on that GBP. I hope you see that. So at the moment, don't worry, as we are still going to go and do some analysis, or sorry, our live session, by the way. So this is what we have on Euro USD. You can easily see that yes, the market is actually on a very nice downtrend structure. So it seems like the market will end up continuing on that structure, but it was a bit confusing. That's why we ended up going for the higher time frame. So I think around this area we had something like that. Here we're gonna have our support area, so we'll see if maybe the market breaks out of this, then we can continue. But I'm not really happy with what I see here. To me, it's a bit tricky. I don't really just want to trade anything that doesn't really move nicely. So this is what we have on gold. This is a nice straightforward structure. We can easily see that the overall picture here, if we go on a bigger time frame, we can easily see that yes, the market is actually on a very nice bullish structure, as we have this nice support area. On a daily time frame, we can also add that structure there. It makes a very nice support area. But at the moment, since we can go on a daily time frame, we will go closer here and try to see what's really happening. So earlier, the market tried to break out of this structure, and I thought, you know what, maybe this can be a very nice buy. Just look what is happening. Now the market is reversing, but yes, the overall structure here, I'm expecting to see a very nice push to the upside. I think this area, it will be the TP that we are targeting, or a zone that we will be targeting. So as I said, this is a quick analysis, guys. I'm trying to be as quick as possible. So on US30, we can easily see that yes, the market is still playing games around this resistance and support, and at the end of the day, the market is just ranging, so we can't actually do anything here. So it shows us that yes, the market is still actually on a downtrend structure, but we're struggling to go down. I thought maybe we're gonna have a nice sell, but the market is not really moving. But maybe later on we will see what we'll actually do. So on Nasdaq, we had a very nice continuation of this bullish move. You can see the market is on this aggressive structure. So earlier we saw that the market was breaking out of this structure, but you can see this was a sort of a consolidation until we had a nice move there. So I'm expecting to see a continuation of that push, but as we are buying at these levels, just know that the market is actually overbought. The market is actually overbought. And we know very well that if the market is overbought, anything can happen. The market can easily reverse from that. The market can actually reverse. But yes, we know very well that the companies in Nasdaq, they are performing very well. So don't worry much. I think we are still going to see some very nice push. But where we are, I think a nice reversal can also work in our favor. But from here, there is enough chance that the market can still push higher, as we are on an uptrend. But what I'm trying to say is, even though we can still buy around these areas, the market was already overbought. But maybe the market is not thinking about that, because if you checked, the market just broke out of this new highest area that we had. So maybe these are the fresh moves that we're gonna get. Maybe the market will just continue like that, and that is possible, especially when we expect the rates cuts. It seems like the news that we receive like almost every day, CPIs, they're all going down, retail sales, they're all going down, and that is good for this pair, for Nasdaq, or anything that doesn't really have to do with the dollar, right? So S&P 500, quite similar to Nasdaq, we can see that we have a very nice structure going to the upside. This is a very proper structure, or very nice uptrend structure. So I'm still expecting to see the market going up, but it seems like the market is trying to reverse a little bit there, but we'll wait for that candlestick to close. But anyways, guys, I think this video is already getting longer, as I'm expecting to have some live sessions later on. So yeah, I think for now this is enough. So on S&P 500, yes, the market just broke out of this a nice resistant area, quite smaller resistant area, because the market is on this aggressive bullish moves. Yes, we can have a nice push. the upside, but I think we are actually on an overbought structure. At the end of the day, maybe after a week or maybe two, maybe we might have an aggressive sell. So, but for now, thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We have that appreciation special for you guys. So thank you very much. Whoever who joins 12 months and lifetime, they will get the system for free. But the system is still at $60. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.